Alrighty guys, working in my 026 cylinder here. It's a Chinesium cylinder or Taiwan or something. But sorry I ain't been putting any videos out. I haven't really been doing much. So let's get cracking on this thing. I think that'll do it, guys. Didn't have to cut much off because I cut a whole lot off the okay. You can see up in there the chamber cut and the base cut. I gotta go chamfer, put that chamfer back in. So I'm gonna pause you guys and then I'll bring you back. Alrighty guys, got the jug machined, got the wheel put on here. And check this out. If I do get caught on camera and you guys see the scratches down my face, the cat got me. Feels pretty spectacular. I didn't get numbers before the machine work, but after the major machine work I've done with this, I've gotten 20 squish. There's no port work been done yet. I got 20 squish, 105 on the exhaust, transfers are 131, and the intake is at 69. That's with just machine work only. And all the way at bottom dead center, the piston's flush with the bottom of the exhaust port. And let's see here. And most of the transfers are exposed. Not as much as I would like. I have to do some more transfer work on this, but I still don't know if we're doing fingers or what on this, but I'll show you what I've done to this thing so far. And it was not fun to do, but this has got a 246 piston, which don't know what I did with the box. I believe it's a 246 piston. Thought I had the box sitting out here, but okay, like I said, I did cut the base and the chamber. And this is a flat top 246 piston. And that's just some debris on it. Now this looks kind of phooey right in here, but I milled, I think it was 55 thousandths off where the cylinder bolts on. And I had to cut the bottom of the piston and then notch out here to get this piston, because the skirts are so much longer on this. See how that piston tucks? Be easier to show you, but see how the piston tucks way inside the case. I had to do some clearancing on that. It wasn't fun, but this case is just stick together too. I flap wheeled the inside of the bearings out so I could put this on and off several different times. And look at the angle, because I've changed the angle of how the cylinder. Now this rod's froze up on this one. Not much. I don't think it's enough to sneeze at. It's tilted about 5 thousandths from one end to the other. It's just the only way I can get it set up in my mill. So, very stoked with where the exhaust landed. I wanted 105 on the roof. By the time I get it cleaned up, it'll probably be 104. I'm debating. If I go fingers in this, I'm going to leave the intake relatively low to get more crankcase pressure. But I should already have more crankcase pressure than stock, because, well, I can show you guys. That's 55 thousandths. That's how much lower this case is, which I shortened the case. So total, in all, it's like 85 would have been like what I would have cut off this. But I wanted to leave these tabs nice and fat, because if I would have cut 85, my tabs would only be half that thick, and I wanted a lot of support on this because I'm going high compression on it. So, yeah, I'm contemplating about maybe doing a full circle crank in it too. Just trying to, I don't know why my mill put such an ugly finish on that. Probably the cheap cutter I used. It looks horrible to the eye, but nothing snags a fingernail anywhere. And these little pits that are in the case, I guess they'll fill with goop when I goop it anyway. But I don't know, is this something you guys want to keep seeing me plug away on? Is this experimental 026 build, or, you know, if not, I can keep it behind closed doors and just keep puttering on it. But I'm trying things. I really had to work hard to get that piston to fit this, and the deck height was so much shorter, so I had to, it's all custom now. And I didn't want to, this is a high quality aftermarket cylinder. I got it from a friend. I don't know the brand of it though. The plating's harder than the Hexa hub on it, but if all goes good, I have a beautiful 026 one here. That's the 44 millimeter non-compression. At least I personally feel these are really good cylinders, and I did not want to ruin that cylinder. I don't care what I do to this one. And so this whole thing's a science experiment. But let me know what you guys think. I still got a light in that piston yet, open the windows, and I got a ton of port work to do yet, but I'm still also missing a ton of parts. I was gonna take that stock 026 and whatever I was missing, seat it into this short block, and then build one that way, but that stocker runs so good, I just don't want to tear it apart. So I'll just keep hunting down bits and pieces until I get this built. But that's the start of the 026 project. You guys let me know what you think of that. You guys take it easy and have a good one.